Hi student, let me solve one more problem. The problem is two objects of masses 100 gram and 200 gram moving along the same line and direction with velocities of 2 meter per second and 1 meter per second respectively. They collide and after collision the first object moves at a velocity 1.67 meter per second. Determine the velocity of the second object. Let me see given data. Here m1 is the mass of first object, it is 100 gram and we have to convert it into kilogram. So 100 divided by 1000 in kilogram. So 0.01 kilogram. m2 mass of the second object 200 gram. So it is 200 divided by 1000 in kilogram and that is equal to 0.02 kilogram. u1 is the initial velocity of the first object, it is 2 meter per second, and u2 is 1 meter per second is the initial velocity of the second object. v1 is the final velocity of the first object after collision, and v2, which we have to find out, is the final velocity of the second object. Let's see in solution. We have law of conservation of momentum, because this problem is based on law of conservation of momentum. This is total final momentum is equal to total initial momentum. So what is total momentum? It is addition of two momenta, that is the momentum of first object and momentum of second object. So m1 v1 is the momentum of first object and m2 v2 is the momentum of second object. Therefore m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2, and therefore m2 v2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2 minus m1 v1. This term minus m1 v1 from left side is shifted to the right side, and therefore v2 is equal to, taking common m1 in bracket u1 minus v1 bracket close plus m2 u2 divided by m2, and therefore placing the values, m1 is having value 0.01, u1 having value 2 meter per 2, and v1 is 1.67. so subtraction of these two is given below, and it is plus mass of the second object, that is 0.02 kilogram, and v1 velocity of the initial velocity of the second object is 1 meter per second, and therefore it is 0.01 into 0.033 plus 0.02 upon 0.02. So this is 0.033 is a subtraction of 2 and 1.67, and therefore this is 0.0033 plus 0.02 divided by 0.02, and that is equal to 0.0233 upon 0.02, that is equals to 1.165 meter per second, and this is the final velocity of the second object. In this way you can solve any problem, and if please subscribe, like and share my video, and place bell icon for further notification.